Question number 47. The third proportional between 25 and 35 is. Here there are two numbers, that is 25 and 35. They are asking third proportional, that is if we consider uh, A as 25 and B as 35, then C is the third proportional. We have to find this value, C value. So A value is 25, B value is 35, and again B value is 35. We have to find C value, that is C is equal to 35 into 35 divided by 25. 5 5s are 5 7s are, then 5 1s are 5 7s are, that is 49. 7 into 7 49. This will be the third proportional for these two numbers.